This is a white Westinghouse desk fan. It's kind of weird that it says white Westinghouse and the fan color is black. It's quite obvious that this fan is made by Holmes. It's a little different, but it even says it on the bottom of the base here. It says Holmes on it. Where'd it go? Yeah, look, it says right here. For some reason the pin is missing. The little screw. It's supposed to go right here because look, you can see right through it. I remember it being there. I can always order another one because surprisingly the hex nut is still in there, which is always a good sign. Everything works on it. It's in decent shape. I got it at a yard sale for $2 along with another fan. I think it's a white Weatherworks. I'll make a video of that later. It's pretty dirty. It's been used a lot. I think my brother's been using it. Then I realized this fan overheats pretty quickly. So my brother's using the control area by Shetland for right now. So we're just in the back right here. So I'm gonna turn it on high. Pretty cool fan. The base is huge on it though. I don't really like that, but gets the job done. Here's medium. Here's low. Low's a very nice speed. It also oscillates. This is what's weird too. It's like a big block instead of a pin, like on this fan over here. There it is oscillating. My battery's low, so I'm not going to show it oscillating on all 3 speeds. So I guess this video is done. So long. If anyone wants to make a video of